Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an anti-aging remedy like wrinkle and fine line ingredients that would help you so much. Now this drink would actually help you to reverse your age. It will literally make you look super duper younger, and it will also bring out the glow, like bring out that beauty in you, literally. Okay, so you need to try this drink because I am telling you, because it is actually lovely to try. Like, trust me, it tastes great and it looks good too, and it does a whole lot of stuff. It makes you look young, it makes you look beautiful. Now one thing that actually make us age is too much thinking, stress, overexposing of sun, dehydration, like, you know, not taking too much water. Now I'm gonna be encouraging you to do that. Okay, now let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share this video also. Let's go. Okay, for a great vision and to return your vision, to cleanse your liver if you're aged, or even if you're not aged, guys, you're gonna be needing this. And this is beetroot. Amazing plant. It helps so much for the body. It cleanses the body of those clogged substance in your body, and it is also a great remedy for the eye. It helps to clear your vision, and it also helps to return back your vision. That's if your case is actually critical. Beetroot would also help to clean your liver. All right, so it does a whole lot of good stuff in the body. All right, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be peeling this beetroot first of all. Now I would love to show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this video one after the other, so that we don't, you know, mix them up. Okay, so I'm going to be peeling them up. And then cut them into pieces, keeping that aside. We're equally going to be needing some red onion. Now in this particular ingredient, in this particular remedy, guys, you have to use red onion, because red onion is superb for this. It does a whole lot of miracle when it comes to the eyesight, and it helps also to clean the liver. It helps you glow, because when you're clean from the inside, you definitely be looking great, looking beautiful, and looking really, really awesome from the outside. Okay, so you need to be healthy, and red fresh onion is going to help you achieve a whole lot. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing now is that after preparing it, slicing it, now I'm going to be setting that aside alongside with the beetroot, so we can actually sanitize them together. Also, you're going to be needing to use ginger. Now ginger is a great remedy when it comes to cleansing the body. It helps so much to clean the liver. It helps to revive your age. It equally helps for weight loss. So when you actually put ginger into your weight loss tea, it helps to make the tea taste really good, and it also helps to return your vision when you mix it up with onion and plus the selected ingredients that I'm actually using. It's gonna be superb, guys. You're gonna be loving this. Okay, so what you do is that you grab a medium size of your ginger, and then you prep it just like I'm doing right now. Now you can decide to just scrape it, or you peel it just like I'm doing. Anyhow you can actually, you know, get your ginger clean up, we just do it that way. And then what we do is that we slice it and then we put it together into the other ingredients. And then the very last ingredient which we're going to be needing for this is this, and this is garlic. Now garlic is a wonderful ingredient that helps so much when it comes to cold, flu, catarrh, cough, and it helps when you mix it up with red onion for the eye, for your liver, and if you're actually getting age and you just want to live long, guys, use garlic, ginger, a whole lot in most of your meal. You need to impute garlic and ginger into it because it is actually very, very necessary. So you don't skip it at all. So the next thing I'm going to be doing here, I just took 3 cloves of garlic. Now if you're going to be taking it, just 1 glass or 2, you don't need too much of it, just like you see me do. Just 3 cloves of this garlic is perfect. Okay, now what I do is that I'm going to be putting them together. In here I have 4 ingredients. The first one is the beetroot, the second is onion, the third is ginger, and the fourth is the garlic. Okay, so do not forget that. All right, so the very next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be getting a clean water to wash this all up. Okay, so here I have my clean water, and since you're going to be taking all of this into your body, you need to sanitize and wash all of this together. Now I previously made a video where I blended something and some people were concerned that I didn't wash. Most of the time I wash these things off the camera. Okay, so even if I don't wash them for you guys to see, I used to wash them off the camera. So here we go, all set and clean. And now I'm going to be turning all of them into a blender. So after pouring everything in here, we're going to be adding water so it can enable the blending, of course, so that we can get juice out of this. Yeah, so we're going to be putting in clean water. And after that, we're going to be blending all of them together. Now you have to blend for it to be very, very smooth. Okay, so here we have our juice well prepared and ready. And now for some people, they actually love to take their smoothies with the fiber. For those people who love to take their smoothies with the fiber, you can actually just do that. But if you're not among those people who love to take smoothies with the fiber, you can sip it out just like what you see me do. Alright, so I have some left, so I'm going to be putting in water so that I'll be able to sieve everything out. All of the juice will be out. Okay guys, so here we have our clear vision drink. This juice is actually very good. Now if you need it much, you can actually still put a little more water to increase the juice, just like I'm doing. Okay, this is very, very healthy. You drink this morning, afternoon and evening, or you can drink it in the morning and in the evening, just 2 times a day at your preference. Anytime you have the time to want to take this, you can actually just take this to get that clearer vision and also to clean your liver and live a healthy and a long life. This is actually, all of the ingredients in here are very natural and they are actually very, very, very important for the body. So go give this a try and you're going to be thanking me. So that's it. Now after you've taken this drink, now you have to also stay away from those things that I said initially at the beginning of this video. That way you would maintain your results, have your skin looking glow, sparkle, bright, and baby, look like a baby, literally. So that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, at least it was helpful, you have get knowledge from it, give me a smash of that like, subscribe if you've not yet done that, share the video for me. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you again in another video. Ciao.